Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're gonna do a fun, just classic end of the year video. I'm gonna be talking about my, what is it called? My worst purchases of 2023, fashion-wise. I feel like I really tried to rack my brain for these because I really didn't have that many purchases I regretted this year. I'm looking around my studio to make sure I didn't miss anything. But I swear, all my worst purchases were in 2022 and before. Before we get into this video though, I did just want to say thank you so much to Rocket Money for sponsoring. We'll talk about them a little bit later. But yeah, I feel like I was just a lot more busy, obviously with a baby. I was just not on my phone as much, which was honestly really nice. Not saying I wasn't busy before I had my baby, but it's a totally different kind of busy. The first thing on my list, the first two are I feel like if you watch my channel, you're gonna be yeah, come on, Lainey. So the first thing is something that I've already sold, and that is my lace maxi dress. Never wore it. Really wanted to be a part of the trend. I imagined styling with a big t-shirt over top and wearing it like a lace skirt. I styled it for a Coachella video. Was really happy with it for that video, and if I would have gone to Coachella, I would have worn it, but it was kind of more just a business purchase, and I try not to make those, honestly. I try not to buy things just for videos, because although I know that was useful to someone to style a lace maxi dress because someone out there is wearing it, whether they're going to Coachella or music festival or just a place where you wear a sheer lace maxi dress. I'm not, and it's just clutter to me. I feel guilty for even buying it, and yes, I sold it to one of you guys, and I'm hoping that you're wearing it or getting use out of it wherever it is in the world. I don't know, there's still just something about it where I don't even like purchasing, it was secondhand also. I got it on eBay, originally from Forever 21, funny enough, but I know I overpaid for it. If it was Forever 21, it was probably so much cheaper. I don't even remember how much I paid for it because in my head I was it's for a video, it's a tax write-off, it's okay. But yeah, I knew I was never gonna wear it deep down inside, so hopefully next year I can not just purchase things for videos. But then if I do, here's my moral dilemma. Sorry, I'm talking too much, the rest will be quicker. If I do stop purchasing just for videos, you guys will never get going out outfits from me, you'll never get New Year's Eve outfits, you'll never get Coachella outfits, because those things don't just live in my closet. So maybe it'll just be more of a challenge to style those kind of outfits with what I already own. I could still do it. I was being dramatic. Okay, next thing that I purchased, again secondhand, but still a regret, is my poncho. I have this knit poncho. I still have it. Actually, I can grab it. I'm looking at it. It's literally the cutest thing ever. But if you guys watch my channel, I've tried to style this so many ways and I can never get it to work. I feel the only way it'll work is over a dress or a mini skirt, and I haven't tried that yet. I don't know if it's too structured. It looks like it's crocheted, honestly hand crocheted. It's beautiful, and it's got the little holes for your arms to peek out of. I'm just so into this line, A-line triangle shape, so you'd think I'd be so into it. So it's a regret right now, but I'm gonna give it one more shot. I'm gonna try styling it this spring and summer, because even last spring, I feel I just wasn't really dressing. My skirts didn't really fit, and a lot of my dresses didn't, because I was so still postpartum, newly postpartum, that we can try again this spring. So it's a regret right now, but I'm not letting go of it. I'm still gonna try and make it work because I love it so much. And I always say this, my friend Amanda had a poncho and she styled it so cute and looks adorable in it. It might just be her poncho looks a lot more thin and less structured. Mine might be a little too structured. I'm gonna try and make it work. And I'm not gonna buy another poncho that's just the right length. This isn't even really a poncho, it's a cape, because it's got holes in the arms, for the arms, like a jacket. My next thing that I regret purchasing is, again, something that's so cute. It's this bubblegum pink moto jacket, and I haven't tried this on since last winter, honestly. And last winter, again, I'm gonna say this a lot because my body was so different at the beginning of this year, end of last year. Newly breastfeeding, I could barely zip this over my boobs, and also my belly still hadn't really gone down from having a baby inside of it. So this fit so tight that I never wore it because it was really constricting. Also, I wasn't going anywhere. I imagine going out drinks with friends wearing this and it'd be so cute, but I haven't done that since having a baby, so I haven't done that since getting this. So it just, to me, I just don't have an occasion to wear this. I still think it's so cute, and I will not be selling it because now that I have a baby, I can finally say, like, I'm keeping this for my child, whoever wants it. If I have another child, they can all fight over it. It's like too cute to give up, and it's something that I feel like if my mom had and got rid of and I saw it in a picture, I'd be like, what the heck? Like, where is that? I'm keeping it. It's vintage, it's from eBay, it's real leather, it's amazing quality, like, it's so cutie that I can't get rid of it. Oh my God, I don't know. Maybe we'll see her again. I've worn her in videos and it looks really cute, so I could see myself wearing it out. Like I said, I just don't go out and do anything. And not even because, like, I can't yet. I totally can now, but by the time it's like nighttime, I'm just tired and I want to go to bed. So the last thing on my list is fur jacket. So this is probably so surprising to you guys because I have a fur jacket that I wear all the time in my videos. It was my Nana's. I did not buy it. It's like perfect. It's a perfect length and everything. The collar is just a little bit thick, that it's not like my ideal fur jacket. I wouldn't have bought it, but I'm obsessed with it because it was my Nana's, so like it feels so special to me and I wear it all the time. I'm not getting rid of it because it was hers. I just have to give it back to her. I like kept seeing, you know, Pinterest pictures, and they're just newer silhouettes of fur jackets that I was seeing. So I got one off Whatnot. I'm pretty sure it was, I mean, it was secondhand obviously, and it looked vintage. It was real fur. It was brown and had the kind of collar I wanted and the kind of cut I wanted. But then I was like, I'm never gonna wear this. I'm just not wearing a fur jacket, period, unless I'm like going out to something fancy and doing something fancy, which I keep saying that I never ever do. So it doesn't make sense to have two fur jackets. And yes, I style my fur jacket for you guys like in a more downplayed way. I'm being so honest with you guys. I just wouldn't do that in real life. Like, it's just not in me to throw on that fur jacket. My baby though loves that fur jacket. As soon as it, like, if I put it on the floor or something really quick, she goes up to it and is like, she thinks it's so soft and cute. It's really sad, but it's cute. So yeah, I just didn't need two fur jackets. So I already sold the second one that I had. It wasn't sentimental to me. Honestly, I don't even think I would have one fur jacket if that one wasn't my Nana's. I find that pieces that were my family members, and I talked about this on my channel before, but just have like more of a sentimental meaning to me, I'm so much more likely to keep and to wear. Literally so off topic, but in my purse right now, my mom gave me this little Swiss Army watch, and it's silver, which, like, I always wear gold. I think it's so cute and so special because I remember my mom wearing this little watch all the time when I was younger. So I have to get a new battery in it. That's why it's sitting in my purse, but I'm definitely gonna wear it. Is this the watch that I would pick out myself right now? No, sorry, Lisa. But it's my favorite watch in the whole world because it was my mom's. And that's the same thing with that fur jacket. It's my favorite. My dad's sunglasses, those are my favorite. Are they something I would ever buy? No, but I wear them all the time and they mean something to me. So yeah, I feel like if I just have something that a hand-me-down, just make do with that one because nothing's ever gonna top it. Even if it's better quality, better design, better color, anything like that, I'll just always love the one that was a gift to me. Before we end this video, I want to talk about Rocket Money because it's really good, you guys. And if my mom's still watching, watch this and download Rocket Money right now with the link in the description, Lisa. But everyone else, let me tell you a little bit about it. My mom, I can just tell her that. I feel like I need to tell you guys a little bit about the app. As soon as I downloaded it, it shows all your subscriptions you're paying for. And I don't know about you guys, but the worst thing in the world is trying to end a subscription. There are some where you have to like email the company or, you know, wait for somebody to chat back with you. Like the worst things ever. On Rocket Money, you can literally, in the app, like see what you're paying for your subscriptions. I literally found one. For some reason, I was still paying for the farmer's dog and I haven't gotten their food for Ernie in months, but they were still charging me. Click in the app, these little 3 buttons, cancel my subscription, and then like an hour later, I got a notification that my farmer's dog subscription was canceled. I don't know the witchcraft, but that is the most worth it thing in the world to me. I am a chronic sign up for a 7-day free trial and then get charged, you know, just once. I'm not sitting there getting charged a million times, but still, I want them to cancel my subscriptions for me. Amazing. I can't recommend the app enough solely based on that. But there are other great things that Rocket Money does. Rocket Money is the personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower bills, and manage your money better. Take control of your finances today. Go to rocketmoney.com/LaineyOzar to download the app and try it for free. Thank you again to Rocket Money for sponsoring this video. And those are my only regret purchases of 2023. Can't believe it's 2023, it's gonna be 2024 because my baby was born in 2022. What? That's so crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but I've just had such an amazing year with you guys. I don't think this is my last video of the year, but I wanted to say thank you so much. I seriously just appreciate all of you watching my videos, commenting. So many of you have joined the Discord. You can do that for free. I can put the link in the description box. I finally figured out how to make a link that doesn't expire for Discord. I am such like a avid secret Discord user of my own Discord server. I am always in there reading your guys's, honestly, anything that you guys post, but looking at your pictures, your outfit of the days, what you guys find on Depop, whatnot, all those kind of things. It's the best ever. I seriously love that Discord server so stinking much. You guys are all the sweetest, and it's so cool that you guys get to talk to each other because honestly, I hate being the only one talking, and it's just a one-sided thing. I love that there we all get to talk to each other. It's just been a really good year, and I'm really happy, and I hope you guys can tell in my videos. I know a lot of the time I tell you guys I'm tired and stuff like that from being a mom, but it really is the greatest thing in the whole wide world. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. As always, I'll see you in a few days. Bye.